Seo-hee's lips curl into a practiced smile as she extends her hand to Mrs. Baek, the woman who has haunted her life. Behind her back, her fingers clench into fists, nails digging into her palms. The air is thick with unspoken threats, but Seo-hee's eyes betray nothing, only the cold determination to protect the child at all costs. The dim, blue-tinged room mirrors the icy tension between them. In a hidden safe house, Seo-hee kneels before the frightened child, her voice a whisper of steel and warmth. "No one will hurt you again," she vows, brushing away their tears. Outside, rain lashes against the windows, but inside, the glow of a single candle flickers defiantly. This small haven is their temporary refuge, a fragile bubble of safety in the storm of chaos. Do-jun moves like a shadow through the sterile, high-security lab, his breath steady despite the danger. Screens flicker with fragmented data, Seo-hee's stolen memories. As he bypasses the final firewall, flashes of their past love surge through his mind. Her laughter, her tears, the moment she was taken from him. He can't fail now, not when her truth is so close. Seo-hee gasps as the memories crash over her. Betrayals, losses, the cruel machinations of Mrs. Baek. Her knees buckle, and she clutches her head, the weight of the past unbearable. Then, clarity. Her eyes snap open, burning with resolve. "I remember everything," she whispers, the pieces of her shattered past finally falling into place. Papers, photos, and audio recordings cover the table as Seo-hee and Do-jun piece together the evidence. Red strings connect faces, dates, crimes, each thread tightening the noose around Mrs. Baek's neck. "This ends tonight," Seo-hee murmurs, her fingers tracing a damning document. The room hums with the quiet intensity of their shared purpose. The gala is a glittering facade of wealth and power, but Seo-hee moves through it like a predator. She smiles, sips champagne, and plays the perfect ally, all while the wire hidden beneath her dress records every word. Mrs. Baek watches her with a jeweled hand curled around her glass, unaware that the trap is already sprung. The screens around the gala flicker to life, broadcasting Mrs. Baek's crimes for all to see. The crowd gasps as her secrets unravel in real time. Seo-hee stands tall, her voice steady as she declares, "This is the truth you tried to bury." Mrs. Baek's face twists in rage, her perfect world crumbling before her eyes. Mrs. Baek's wineglass slips from her fingers, shattering on the floor like her empire. Her allies step back, their loyalty evaporating. "You ruined everything," she snarls, her voice trembling with barely contained fury. But Seo-hee doesn't flinch. The woman who once held all the power now stands alone, her lipstick smeared like a wound. Cornered and furious, Mrs. Baek lunges with a hidden blade, her final act of defiance. Do-jun tackles her just in time, but not before the knife grazes Seo-hee's arm. Rain pours down on the rooftop, neon signs flickering like dying embers. Seo-hee raises her taser, her hand steady despite the storm. "It's over," she says, her voice cutting through the chaos. As the police drag Mrs. Baek away, her screams fade into the distance. Seo-hee and Do-jun stand together, the first light of dawn washing over them. The child, safe in their arms, looks up with trust and hope. "It's over," Seo-hee whispers, her voice thick with relief. The sun rises, casting away the shadows of their long nightmare.